the last lesson, we added this button here, and we are going to now delete it and move on to the next element, which is a call to action. Call to actions are really great for your website because it tells people exactly what you want them to do. And if this isn't the way you can just put it, you can move it to the left, you can move it to the right. I prefer it to be on the right. And you can replace this with an image. You can choose the positioning of how things are. Do you want it to be on the left? You want it to be the bottom, top? So based on how your page is designed, sometimes you may keep it like this. Other times you may have it like this or like this or like this. And then you can put your alt text for SEO purposes here. So let's put something on the background. And what they've done here too is they have connected Unsplash. This is a website that you can get beautiful photos, high quality for free. So I'm just going to choose any one of them. You can load more. I'm just going to double click on it to choose that one. And now you have this beautiful image. You can switch the positions and you scroll down the content. You can change the content here. You can have the content could also have its own image. You can go to the button here. You can choose the style based on how your page is laid out. You can put the link and you have the additional settings for the H1 tag. You can go back to the cover. So when you go to the cover, that's what you get now. And you can come on the styles. You can change a lot of things here. Even with the content, you can change the coloring. You can change the height. You can change the position. You scroll down, title, description. You change the color. So it's changing the color for that. So there are a lot of options here. My job is just to get you to see the possibilities, and feel free to go ahead and change different things and, you know, play around with it and see what you're able to come up with. So you scroll down, overlay. The beautiful thing about when you're learning something like this is that you can't really break anything. So even if you mess up, that's the best way that you learn. You just, you know, click something and check different options. That's the best way to learn. So we'll change the background color overlay for that. And we'll put that on and you can choose whatever colors that you want. So now we're going to work on the overlay, the opacity. So you move that to another color because sometimes you want to make the background a little darker, or you can do that, the hover color. So I'm just clicking through here and just having fun with this, which is really what you're supposed to do when you're designing your website, is really to have fun. So feel free to, you know, mess around with it and be creative.